What's up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the Moto G7 Play Edition. So you can pick this up on Amazon for about 200 bucks. So let's go ahead and check it out. You guys know we did the G6 Play and I really like that phone. So in the box we got paperwork, SIM tool removal, we got is this USB? What is this? Looks like USB type C, so that's pretty cool. And then we got our power brick. Alright, so on the front it says here we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 632, have a 5.7-inch display, 13 megapixel camera plus an 8 megapixel front facing camera. We also got the fingerprint scanner on the back, and we've also got a 3000 milliamp battery. So let's go ahead and get this off. Let's go ahead and boot this guy up. So compared to the G6 Play, this phone has this really cool looking design. As you can see, it's got like this streaky kind of thing going on. As you can see it hitting the light a little bit, and it looks really cool, and it feels really cool as well. Sort of like a little textured back right here, and we got the fingerprint scanner on the back, and then we've got one camera flash, the classic Motorola design camera. On the side we got the SIM card tool, we got the USB, it looks like USB-C, I'm not sure yet. We got the power brick with a nice, the power button with a nice texture feeling to it, and we got the volume rocker. So not much going on, pretty bare phone. We also got the LED flash on the front, which I think is new, and we got a whole bunch of light coming in. So we got this guy booted up, and the setup process was pretty fast. So right out of the box, the screen on here is really nice, really pretty. It's an IPS panel, as you can see, so it doesn't wash out. The color doesn't wash out. And guys, for a phone with 2 GB of RAM, Android 9.0, which we'll go ahead and take a look at that in the settings. This thing is blazing fast, like shockingly fast. You see, I got the Huawei P20 here. This phone has 4 GB of RAM. The specs are a little bit better, but this running Android 9.0 feels so much smoother. I don't know if it's because Huawei has that skin on there, but this is like it's just supernaturally smooth for a phone with not so heavy specs. You can see we got Android 9.0 on here, and you have an option to change the gestures right here. As you can see, it was a home, back, multitask button like usual, but I went ahead and changed that in the Moto actions, I believe, on here. So you would go to one nav button right here, and it would go ahead and change that for you. So pretty much you can swipe up. It pretty much just turns everything to gestures. So you can swipe up to go back. Just tap it once, and then we can swipe back to go to another page, and swipe vice versa to go forward. So very cool. Let's check out the storage capacity on here, see how much storage we have. So we do have, I haven't installed anything on it, so you'll get 22.48 gigabytes right out of the box with this phone. So I did set up the fingerprint scanner. Let's check that out. As you can see, let's check it out. Pretty fast. So that's fast. It works as you would expect. Let's check out that camera. Motorola is not known for having the best cameras. So let's check it out. I'm not gonna be in the full review. I will have more in-depth on the camera, but let's check that out and see. Check it out. Yeah, so I mean it actually looks pretty decent. It doesn't look that bad. I don't have the best lighting. We'll test it out and see what it looks like outside and everything, but so far it doesn't look bad. Nice details. This is a 13 megapixel camera, so the camera on here so far looks decent just from first glance. So it looks much better than the G6 Play, so there is a noticeable difference there. But one of the things you're gonna notice right out of the box is just how smooth. I can't believe how smooth this thing is. Like, it's crazy. I didn't think it was gonna be as smooth, so it has to be Android 9.0. It's just a big factor. I mean, the animations are smooth. Everything's just really like buttery smooth. No lag, which is crazy. So what else can we check out here? Let's check out the display a little bit more. Let's check out those speakers. And I can confirm that is USB Type-C, guys. So let's check out Dragon Ball Z Broly movie. If you guys seen that, it was a pretty good movie. Let's check that out. Let's check these speakers out. Man, yo, this thing is just smooth.
About time I got a chance to fight.
Let me see. I want to see something full screen. I know I keep saying that, but I wasn't expecting to be as smooth. This is my first time using 9.0. I think that's why. Check that out. Screen on here looks really good. The speakers on here sound great, as you can see, very loud. Alright. So overall, first impressions of the G6, it is really fast. The camera seemed great. It feels really good in the hand. If you have small hands, you can use this with one hand, like myself. Android 9.0 is just a beast for lower budget phone. It just feels like a premium handset running at full speed. Like, it's just not lagging at all. So stay tuned for the full review, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.